How to add WhatsApp link to Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and launch our Facebook application. Then make sure that you have logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your menu page on the top right corner, then locate your name. Once you do so, you will see Edit Profile just beside Add to Story. Tap on Edit Profile. Then you will see a page like this where you will see your profile picture, avatar, and cover photo. Scroll all the way below. Then you will see links. Tap on Add here. You will see social links. Tap on Add social link. Then tap on Platform. Then you will see WhatsApp and various other platforms. For today's video, let's go ahead and tap on WhatsApp. You can simply type in the link or just your username. And once it is so, you can also change who can see your WhatsApp link or your WhatsApp username. By tapping on this public icon, you can either select Friends, Only Me, or Public. And once you're satisfied, you will see a Save icon on the top right corner. Just tap on to save, just like so. That is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.